Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer Gmail to Yahoo Mail. So first of all, open your Gmail, click on to setting icon, see all settings, account and import, click on import mail and contact, and you need to just type here your Yahoo Mail address. Click on to continue, click on to agree. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily transfer Gmail to Yahoo Mail. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more videos.